Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zendesk Talk add-ons, beginner guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Admin Center, which can be found in the sidebar. Once in the Admin Center, locate and click on the Products option. In the Products menu, select Talk to access the Talk settings. Look for the Add-ons section within the Talk settings. Click on the Add-ons option to view available features. Review the list of available add-ons for Zendesk Talk. Follow any prompts to review the pricing and terms of the add-on. Confirm your subscription by clicking the Confirm button. Once the subscription is confirmed, you will receive a notification. Your new add-on is now ready to use with your Zendesk Talk account. Make sure to explore the features offered by the add-on to enhance your customer support experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps.